Current Affairs 4 June 2021. India's National Security Advisor recently commissioned which Indian Coast Guard ship, which is the third in the series of 105-meter offshore patrol vessels, A. Vajra, B. Sajag, C. Sujit, D. Jaguar. The answer is B. Sajag. India's National Security Advisor commissioned the Indian Coast Guard ship Sajag, the third in the series of 105-meter offshore patrol vessels, on 29 May 2021. The Sajag is designed and manufactured in India by Goa Shipyard Limited. Recently, the government of which country said that now every couple in the country is allowed to give birth to three children, not two? A. India, B. Pakistan, C. China, D. Bangladesh. The answer is C. China. The Chinese government was earlier allowed to give birth to a maximum of two children in the country, but now the maximum number of children has been increased to three. In which country has the first person infected with the H10N3 strain of bird flu been reported? A. Nepal, B. India, C. Japan, D. China. The answer is D. China. China has reported the first case of a person infected with the H10N3 strain of bird flu. This case has been detected in the eastern Jiangsu province of the country. Recently, a new species of crickets found in the Kurra caves of which state has been named Indominus jayanti? A. Chhattisgarh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Bihar, D. Jharkhand. The answer is A. Chhattisgarh. On which date is celebrated every year by the United Nations as the International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers? A. 12 April, B. 20 May, C. 25 July, D. 29 May. The answer is D. 29 May. Every year, 29 May is celebrated as the International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers. The main purpose of this day is to remember and honor the soldiers who died for the establishment of peace. This day was celebrated for the first time in the year 2003. Which country launched Mission Innovation Cleantech Exchange, a global initiative aimed at building a network of incubators in member countries to promote clean energy innovation? A. India, B. Nepal, C. Bangladesh, D. Sri Lanka. The answer is A. India. The US Space Agency NASA has announced that it will send two missions between 2028 and 2030 to which planet? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Saturn, D. Mercury. The answer is A. Venus. Venus. American Space Agency NASA has announced that it will send two missions to Venus between the year 2028 to 2030. Though this, NASA scientists will investigate the atmosphere and geological feature of the planet Venus. Which Indian player has been ranked 59th with an earning of Rs 197 crore in the list of highest paid 100 players in the rankings released by Forbes? A. Rohit Sharma, B. Shikhar Dhawan, C. Rishabh Pant, D. Virat Kohli. The answer is D. Virat Kohli. Who has become the president of Israel recently? A. Jacob, B. Isaac Herzog, C. Solomon, D. Moshe Sese. The answer is B. Isaac Herzog. The Parliament of Israel has elected Isaac Herzog as the country's 11th president. Who has appointed Paresh B. Lal as Grievance Officer for India? A. Google, B. Twitter, C. Facebook, D. WhatsApp. The answer is D. WhatsApp. WhatsApp has introduced Paresh B. Lal as Grievance Officer as per the new IT rules. Thank you.